Hello everybody. Now let us start your chapter number 3 in maths, that is called coordinate geometry. 9th standard maths, chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. It is very easy chapter, so you will love it. A very short chapter also and very easy chapter. But this is the basic of 10th standard. So you have to concentrate it. Once you focus while studying, you will grab at a time. Okay, everybody? See, coordinate geometry. This is the first time you are going to learn this. This coordinate geometry is the combination of algebra and geometry, which is derived by mathematician and scientist also Rene Descartes. So Rene Descartes derived this coordinate geometry, which is called combination of algebra and geometry. So a new branch of maths will start from this coordinate geometry. Now see, here you have to draw graph, very simple graph, so don't worry about it. If you don't have graph paper, then also you can do in your notebook. It is very simple. No need of graph paper or graph book. Is it okay? Now, Cartesian system. What do you mean by Cartesian system? From the mathematician Descartes, the name is given Cartesian system. See, what is this Cartesian system? When we draw a horizontal line containing real numbers and then draw a vertical line containing another real numbers in a plane, they intersect with each other, that you know. So this system is known as Cartesian system, and the plane is known as Cartesian plane. So we start with Cartesian plane. Which is also known as coordinate plane. It is also called XY plane. You know that plane means a rectangular or square surface, just like the surface of board, just like your notebook page, just like your top of the table. All these are plane. Now in the plane, we draw number line, horizontal and vertical. You know that horizontal and vertical both intersect with each other at a point O. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x dash, this is y dash. This is known as Cartesian plane or XY plane or coordinate plane. Is it okay? Now, horizontal real number line is called x-axis. Vertical real number line is called y-axis. They intersect with each other at a point known as origin, intersection point. Intersection point is called origin. Origin is denoted as O and its coordinate is 0, 0. Remember, first coordinate is called x coordinate and second coordinate is called y coordinate. Okay, first always x coordinate from x axis and second, always written y coordinate from y axis, and this intersection point is called O, origin. Is it okay? Now see, after this axis and origin, we are going towards the Cartesian plane. There are points which are located in the plane. X coordinate and y coordinate are also known as abscissa and ordinate. X coordinate, the second name of X coordinate is abscissa, and y coordinate second name is ordinate. Remember this thing, abscissa and ordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate. Now, when this x-axis and y-axis intersect with each other, then the Cartesian plane is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. These parts are known as quadrant. See. What do you mean by quadrant? One axis are intersecting with each other, at a point O called origin, then plane is divided into 4 parts. Each part is known as quadrant. Is it okay? So when you draw x-axis and y-axis, they intersect each other at point O, then coordinate plane or xy plane is divided into 4 parts. See, in this way. X-axis, x dash, y and y dash, origin O. You can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like number line on the left side, -1, -2, -3, -4. On the upward direction, positive 1, 2, 3, 4. On the downward direction, negative -1, -2, -3, -4. So axis divided this coordinate plane into 1, 2, 3, 4 part. Each part is known as quadrant. Now this is called first quadrant. You have to move in anti-clockwise direction. Second, third and fourth quadrant. Okay. First quadrant is also called first quadrant. It is the interior part of XOY. First quadrant is called what? Interior part of angle XOY. Second quadrant, same way. Second quadrant is called interior part of X dash OY, this portion. Interior part of angle X dash OY. Third quadrant, that is equals to interior part of X dash OY dash, interior part X dash OY dash. And fourth quadrant, that is called interior part of XOY dash, XOY dash. Is it okay? First quadrant, the sign positive and positive points can plot here. Suppose 2, 2, you can plot here. 3, 4, you can plot here. Means x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. So plus plus sign points are plotting here. Here in the second quadrant, first you have to write x quadrant and then write y quadrant. So x coordinate is negative whereas y coordinate is positive. So sign is minus plus. Similarly, now you can judge in the third quadrant, x coordinate is negative, y is also negative. So sign is minus minus. And in fourth, x coordinate is positive whereas y coordinate is negative. So plus minus, you have to remember the sign. Plus plus means first quadrant, minus plus means second quadrant, both negative. Minus minus, that is called third quadrant, and plus minus, that is called fourth quadrant. Okay, here plus plus, here minus minus, here minus plus, here plus minus, opposite. Now suppose a point lies on x-axis, then its coordinate is which type? If point lies on x-axis, suppose here 3, then it has x coordinate, but y coordinate is 0. So a point lie on x-axis, they are in the form of, it is in the form of x0. X coordinate is there, that's why it is on x-axis, but y coordinate is 0. If a point suppose lie on the y-axis, then it has y coordinate, but x coordinate is 0. So a point lie on y-axis, then it is in the form of 0y. Is it okay? If x coordinate and y coordinate are equal, x and y are equal, it is possible only when x coordinate and y coordinate are equal. Remember this thing. I write where, here I can write xy equals to yx is possible only when x equals to y. Means x coordinate and y coordinate are equal, then point xy and point yx are equal. Okay. Similarly, you can say that if x y coordinate equals to ab, then we write x equals to a and y equals to b. X equals to a, y equals to b. Means you can compare x with x coordinate and y with y coordinate. This type of pair are known as ordered pair. So this is called what? Ordered pair. Order wise. Okay. So these are the theory of this chapter. Only this you have to learn it. Now see, first exercise. Exercise 3.1 is not important for you, so we don't do it. Reason is what? There are 2 questions we solve, but don't worry about your examination point of view. Okay? Write down all this thing. That's it.